Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can make a string solid. As you can see that this is the FreeCAD string which I have converted into the solid with the help of draft workbench and part workbench, and I will show you in this tutorial how you can make any character string of your choice into the solids and you can 3D print it. So let's start our tutorial. So I will close this file and create a new file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I will switch to the draft workbench and create a new file, and here you will get an option of a shape from the text. And before inserting this into our body, first thing which I will do is I will switch to the part design workbench and I will insert my body, and again I switch to the draft workbench and I will off my grid. So first thing here to know that you have to understand about the font installed on your system. So if you are using the Windows operating system, go to your search bar and search for the font, and here you will see the font setting, and here are the fonts. For example, let's check this font. So location of your font is a C Windows font, so we will use this path, and I will set my cube to the isometric and click on the string, and again give the FreeCAD height 60, and I will give the same font file which I have given the last time, which is a times.ttf. Why I'm using the times.ttf? Because it is the most common font, Times New Roman. So here is my TTF, click on OK, and here I will click on my screen and click on OK. So you can see that my text has been inserted. Now let's click on the fit to all, and now we will convert this string into the solid. So what I will do, I will switch to the part workbench, and here on the part workbench you will see the option of extrude. So select your shape string and click on the extrude. So here I want to extrude it to the 10 mm and I want solid, so tick mark on the create solid and set here along normal, click on OK. So you can see that it is extruded. Now I can change the properties of my font here. So for example, I wanted to make it 80. So you can see that size has been increased. Now here I can change my extrude length. So here it is a 10 mm. If I wanted to make it 20, I can make it 20. And I can simply export my this extrusion into the STL format for the 3D printing. So this is how you can convert text into the solids in a FreeCAD with the help of part workbench and draft workbench. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.